So we're going to do all the odds in the video, and we'll save the evens for in class. So graph each linear inequality to show all the possible solutions. So here we go. This one's already in slope-intercept form, so that's nice. So I'm going to start at -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 3. I'm going to down 1, back 3. Down 1, back 3. Okay, so there's my line. Do I do a dashed line or a solid line? Since this is strictly greater than, I'm going to do a dashed line. So, dash, 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 dash. Okay. Dashed line going all the way across the grid. And am I going to shade above or below this line? Well, y is greater than, so I'm going to shade above the line. And I'm going to use a different color so it doesn't look so bad. I'll use pink. Okay, we're shading above the line. Okay. And that's it. So there's number 1. Okay, I'm going to actually use a highlighter for the next one. Let's use a highlighter. So let's do the next one. This is not in slope-intercept form, number 3. So let's put it in slope-intercept form. So let's subtract 5x. So we get -2y is greater than -5x plus 12. Y is not by itself, so I need to divide everything by -2. So y, I divided by a negative, so I need to switch the sign. There's a lot to remember here. -5 divided by -2 is just a positive 5 over 2. Positive 12 divided by -2 is -6. So I'm going to start at -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up 5 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and am I going to do a solid or a dashed line for this one? This is a dashed line because it is not or equal to. Okay. So dash, 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 dash. Okay, so there's our line. And where am I shading? Am I shading above or below this line? This symbol means less than, so we're going to shade below the line because we want everything less than the line. So below the line is over here. Okay, so that's how you do number 3. Okay, so we've got 2 more. All right, I'll do this one in blue. This one I need to get in slope-intercept form, so I'm going to subtract x. So -y is greater than or equal to -x plus 8. I need to get y by itself. Let me zoom in so you can actually see that. So I'm going to divide everything by -1. So y, I did divide by a negative, so I'm going to switch the sign. -x divided by -1 is just positive x. Positive 8 divided by -1 is -8. Okay, so just so you can see the line, I'll do this one in black. We're going to start at -8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. 1. Okay. Now, is this going to be a solid line or a dashed line? This is actually going to be a solid line because it is or equal to. We have that underline underneath there. So that kind of tells us that there's going to be a little bit more depth to this line. This is a solid line. And are we shading above or below this line? We are shading below because it's less than or equal to. So we're shading everything underneath the line. Okay, so that's it for that one. We have one more example to do. y is less than or equal to -4. So we're going to figure out where is -4 on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. And basically, this is a horizontal line through -4. So is this a vertical line or, okay, no, we know, horizontal, we know that. Is it a solid line or a dashed line? Hopefully you said solid line because this is or equal to. So we're going to do a solid horizontal line through -4. Okay. And are we shading above the line or below the line? We are shading below the line. So everything down here is where we're shading. Okay. So hopefully this made sense. We're going to do the other 4 examples together in class.